Wow, what a what a bright, good day here in Taytay. We are here now in Kuta. Yeah, this is Kuta. This is the beauty of Taytay, Palawan. See? Wow. Okay. Like that. Okay. This is the Kutang Isabela. Okay. Oh. Okay, this is beautiful Taytay. Ayan. Ang ganda. Okay. Wow. Wow, it's like an angel in the sky. And this is the seaport. Here is their seaport. This is it. Like that. Beautiful. Wow. Okay. That's the cover up of the soldiers, yeah? Their bantay. There it is. Okay. Whew. Okay. Yeah. Okay. In few minutes. Okay. This is how it looks like. This Taytay. You see. And here it goes. Whew. Okay. There it is. Okay. There it is. Okay. That's all for now.